Hi everyone, myself Moyumi Mukherjee, Assistant Professor EC Department, Mollahun Institute of Technology. It is well known to everyone that communication is the platform through which peoples are connected with each other, and it is the only possible way by which human beings can express their feelings and share with each other. Therefore, we can say communication is the pathway for the advancement of science and civilization, which has given us the advantage of living a better life for today. So my today's concern is focused on evolution of communication day by day from the beginning to our present day. Early human beings during the Stone Age started to communicate and express their thoughts and feelings by sign and gestures. Later on, the mode of communication would improve some more way, and in between 26 to 37 AD, Roman Emperor Tiberius sent message from his empire island of Capri by reflecting the sunlight from a metal mirror. After that, in 1520, the smoke signal was rapidly used. People at that time voyage signal to each other by firing cannon and raising flags. Therefore, smoke signal is the one of the oldest form of long distance communication. In 1792, the first long distance semaphore telegraph line was established. It was optical telegraph line. And in 1831, Joseph Henry built first electric telegraph. But the distance covered by that telegraph line was very short. Therefore, as a successor of Henry in 1836, Samuel Morse developed the Morse code and built the first long-distance electric telegraph line. Morse code is a method used in telecommunication to encode text character as standardized sequences of two different signal duration called dots and dashes. It was running until telegraph was used in India. The communication process was further improved by a step ahead when Alexander Graham Bell invented the first electric telephone in the year of 1867 with the help of Thomas Watson. After that, in 1889, Amon Strauzer successfully developed electromechanical switching system called Strauzer switching system. It is basically the first telephone exchange system in world. Later in the year of 1960, the first electronic switching system was developed in Bell Laboratory. After the first telephonic age, communication evolved even further with the invention of mobile and internet, which was the transition of era of communication from wired to wireless. The technology continued to grow further in the era of 1990s when Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol, that is TCP/IP protocol, was developed. It is a communication model that sets standard for how data could be transmitted between multiple networks. The online world took a more broader form in the year of 1990 when computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee invented World Wide Web or WWW. This continuous improvement is going further by invention of 4G network. At the starting age of internet, we were in the first generation of the mobile network called 1G. After that, 2G, 3G and 4G network was developed, which improved the optimum usability of frequency spectrum and speed of communication. Finally, we are now in the era of a next new generation wireless network called 5G network. Technology research and development for 5G is already underway and awaiting for further prospect. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like it, please like and comment on it after watching.